Managing freelancers effectively in Monday.com can be a game changer for your team, but if you've ever felt overwhelmed by the platform's features, you're not alone. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to leverage Monday.com to streamline your freelancer management process without the unnecessary confusion. First things first, setting up your boards. When managing freelancers, you want to create boards that are specific to each project or team. This makes collaboration easy and ensures that everything stays organized. You can customize your board to match your workflow, whether it's for design, content creation, or development. The flexibility is great, but be aware that with customization comes the learning curve. It can be overwhelming to set everything up if you're not familiar with the platform. Next thing, let's talk about assigning tasks. Once your board is set up, assigning tasks is simple, but be sure to keep communication clear within each task. Monday.com offers the ability to leave comments, tag team members, and attach files to each task, which helps centralize communication. However, when managing multiple freelancers, the notification system can get noisy. You'll need to manage it well so you don't miss important updates, which could become a bit frustrating. The third thing you'll want to utilize is tracking time and progress. Monday.com gives you a great overview with its timeline and Gantt charts, so you can track how freelancers are performing against deadlines. This is a huge advantage, especially if you're managing remote freelancers. However, it's worth noting that while the platform gives you the tools to track time, you'll need to set up integrations with other time tracking tools or manually input data. This can sometimes create an extra step in the process. Now, let's talk about automations. Monday.com has a lot of automation features that can save you time. For example, you can set up triggers to notify your freelancers when a task is assigned to them or to remind them when a deadline is approaching. It sounds great, but again, setting up these automations requires some time and knowledge of the platform. If you don't have a clear plan for your workflow, these automations can quickly become a source of confusion rather than a help. Next thing to keep in mind is how you'll manage payments and invoicing. While Monday.com itself doesn't handle payments, you can integrate it with other tools. However, this is where things can get tricky. You'll need to either use an external tool for managing freelancer payments or set up custom workflows that may not integrate as smoothly as you'd like. Finally, the fifth thing to consider is the cost. Monday.com can become expensive when scaling up, especially if you need to add more users or access advanced features. While the platform offers a range of pricing tiers, you may find that the lower tier options are limited in terms of automations or reporting. If you're managing a large team of freelancers, the price can quickly add up. Now, here's the twist. While Monday.com is powerful, it's not always the easiest for freelancer management, especially for those who want something simple and cost-effective. So, if you want an alternative that offers better value and might suit your needs better, I'd recommend checking out Competitor Software. It offers excellent features for managing freelancers, including integrated time tracking, payment processing, and automated task assignments, all in a cleaner, more intuitive interface. And the best part? Competitor Software also comes with a free trial, so you can give it a test run without any risk. To help you get started, we've got an exclusive offer for our viewers. Through the link in the description, you'll get the best free trial available for Competitor Software, along with exclusive benefits you won't find anywhere else. Take advantage of this offer, try out the software, and see how it can make managing freelancers even easier and more efficient. Don't forget to check out the alternatives as well, because we've got you covered with the best options for your needs.